Imagine this, you have spent hours, even days, optimizing your website, targeting high volume keywords, only to realize you are still not seeing the traffic and the conversions you expected. Frustrating, right? This is happening to more businesses than you think. The truth is, traditional keyword research is no longer enough to guarantee success. It's time to rethink our approach, and that starts with understanding the search intent. Hey everyone, I'm Manoj from hrefstyler. In today's video, we are diving deep into why traditional keyword research is falling and how you can fix it with search intent. If you want to boost your SEO and get real quality traffic that converts, stick around because this is a game changer. Before we dive into the specifics, let me take you back to a moment in SEO history. You see, for over many years, we have been doing SEO the same way. We have relied on keyword research tools that provide us with search volume, competition level, and keyword relevance. And for a long time, that worked. But here's the catch, it's no longer enough. Picture this, you have got a keyword like solar panels. It's got a great search volume, right? But does it really give us the full picture? Is the searcher looking to buy solar panels? Are they after financing option, or they are just looking for general information? Without context, we cannot be sure, and that means we could be attracting traffic that will never convert. This is where traditional keyword research fails. It does not take into account search intent, the real reason behind our users' query. So how to fix this? Here's something you might not know. Google isn't just a search engine anymore. It's actually a collection of AI systems that work together to do few things. Number 1, understanding search queries. Number 2, classify content. Number 3, delivering the best results. And here's the real kicker. Google is now more focused than ever on understanding the intent behind search. That means if your content isn't aligned with the user's search intent, no matter how many keywords you cram in, your page will fall short. Even if your page ranks for the exact keyword, it might not be the best result for that searcher's need. So what's the key to getting ahead? It's simple. Focus on intent-driven SEO. Now you might be thinking, how do I figure out what users really want? Well, I've got the answer for you. SERP analysis. When you study the search engine results page for your target keyword, you get a glimpse into the true intent behind that search. Here's the real life example. So let us search for our keyword coffee. So you will notice like you are seeing results from other e-commerce sites, right? So here, if we check out the organic listing, so you will see coffee. It is not clear that whether search intent is for buying or is for informational. But Google is now showing informational results, which is Wikipedia. Here you can see the Amazon link. Here you can see more informational videos, and you will see more informational content, right? And this organic listing is informational, one is information. So it's a kind of mix. So while searching for coffee, Google not only showing e-commerce but also showing informational content. Although intent is not clear, most of the organic results are informational, right? As you can see here, this one is article, this one is informational article, right? So if we add a keyword, coffee near me, let's search coffee near me. So you will see the local listing, right? You will see all the local listings, all the, and all the restaurants information, right? So which means intent behind this keyword is someone looking for cafe nearby area, right? So if we change this keyword and add by, then you will see like keyword total serve page will change, right? You will see another e-commerce site where a coffee listing, you can see the Amazon, you can see so many e-commerce results only, right? You will see the buy me your coffee website. So many e-commerce results. So this is how you can identify the keyword intent. So long tail keywords are better for it will help you improve the conversions because you can clearly identify the intent behind that keyword. small keyword, likewise, but with single keyword, it will be difficult to identify the keyword. But always search your keyword on Google before finalizing your keyword for your SEO campaign. That's why I highly recommend doing this step before finalize your keyword for your campaign. Do not rely highly on tools like SEMrush, Ahrefs. So now they also give you the intent. They also share in whether it's informational or commercial or buyer. What is the intent behind that keyword? Do not highly rely on SEMrush on these tools. I recommend you can first filter out the keyword that you think that keyword is good for this campaign, and once you finalize the keyword, do one more step. This is one additional step. This is compulsory for all the business owners to do it, which is identify each keyword intent. If your finalized keyword does not match the intent, remove it, because you will never rank for that keyword and you will waste resources and time as well. Now let's get into the heart of it. How can we really make sure our keyword research aligns with search intent? It's all about seeking the right question. Why is someone searching for a term? Not just what are they searching for. For example, if you are targeting keyword best protein powder for weight loss, don't just think of it as a keyword. Understand the intent behind it. Is the user looking for a product recommendation, or do they want specific information on protein powder? Here's the simple 3-step process to get you on the right track. Identify keyword intent. Start by identifying the core search intent that aligns with your business goals. For example, for financial service businesses, compare mortgage rates. For a fitness brand, best protein powder for weight loss. Filter the keyword by intent. Don't just chase high volume keywords. Focus on filtering those that directly match the user's intent, whether it's a transactional or informational. Choose content format that matches intent. Content isn't one size fits all. To align with the intent, sometimes you will need to go beyond standard blog posts. Consider comparing articles, niche buying guides, interactive tools like calculator. By focusing on the intent over just keywords, you will not only improve your SEO ranking but also boost conversions. It's clear that some content type perform better for driving conversions than others. Let me let you in on a little secret. Middle of the funnel content tends to work best when you are optimizing for intent. Content like comparison pages, for example, best DSLR cameras for under 1000, niche buying guides, ultimate guide for ergonomic keywords, Q&A page, etc. Why? Because these content types are more targeted, solving specific problem and answering user queries in detail. Plus, with AI-driven search results providing quick answers, traditional blog posts are losing their luster. To stay competitive, you need content that's not just informative but also actionable. If you invest in high-value, intent-driven content, you are likely to see both higher ranking and better conversions. AI is definitely a powerful tool, but it's not suitable for real customer insight. Sure, AI can help you analyze SERP, but the best way to understand what searchers want is still to talk to actual customers. Chat logs, sales feedback, and customer conversations are all the goldmine for uncovering the true search intent. If you are not able to get this direct feedback from customers, alright, so here's the big takeaway. Traditional keyword research is no longer enough in today's AI-driven world. If you want to succeed, you need to focus on search intent. Start by analyzing SERP, prioritizing intent over keyword volume, and investing in high-quality content format that addresses real user needs. If you want to learn more about how to implement these strategies for your business, make sure to book a page 1 blueprint session with me from hrefs. It's the first step to transforming your SEO game. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insights. And hey, if you have any question or want to share your thoughts, drop a comment below. See you in the next one, and remember, optimize for intent, not for keywords.